Hello, it's D.I.Y. Cook. Tonight we're gonna cook this yummy chicken caldereta. Add oil, add garlic, add onions, and saute them all. Add chicken and mix it all. Add bay leaves. Add salt and pepper. Add black pepper. Add paprika. And mix it all. Add potato and carrots. And mix it all. Add tomato passata. Again, mix it all. Add some chili flakes. Add some pineapple chunks. Add some bell pepper. Add some green peas. Some olives. And mix it all. It's nearly done now. I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to hit subscribe and for more recipes. Bye-bye.